this meeting is being, this exercise is being the first place monitored and headed by Dr. Pramod Sawant, our Chief Minister. I am only here to ensure that we deliver on whatever commitment he has given the church authorities. Besides that, any other issues that could arise, it is my responsibility to try and resolve mutually between us and the church authority. So that is my role, which I believe ends tomorrow by noon and till the next occasion. But I have to put on record that it's been a pleasure to deal with the church authorities. They've been very understanding, and we have together been working as a team. They have been accommodated. They have understood sometimes our limitations, and we have also understood their issues. And as I said, resolved and worked together. At the end of the day, I think this was a responsibility given to me by our Chief Minister. And as a Catholic, I feel it was my responsibility to work hard enough to ensure that we deliver on, to ensure that this exposition is I'm not saying successful, but everything goes on smoothly. And our greatest satisfaction is to see people coming from all over the world, people coming from all over India, be it Catholics, be it Hindus, be it Muslims, people of all faiths. And everybody seems to have gone satisfied. It is your reviews that give us the satisfaction that our hard work is being given due recognition by the people. And whatever has been done, whatever has been put up, is per se for the people to benefit. I think the first thing I would like to talk about is that this exposition has shown us that this country still has that social fabric of secularism. We are still a secular nation. This exposition proved it, though at times people try to question it. Why do I say this? Is that from day one, we had people of all faiths coming to go. We've had the privilege of, for the inauguration, if I may say, of the exposition, we've had the privilege of the governor being present, who is not a Catholic. We've had Dr. Pramod Sawant, the Chief Minister, who sat through the entire process. So this, I would say, shows Dr. Pramod Sawant's secular qualities. He has backed us to the tilt. He has not denied anything that was required for the exposition. Number two, we've had people of all faiths come. You all have highlighted their comments. So I think all this together shows that we are a secular nation. Goa in particular. Again, it proves that we still are, we are very much a secular state, which is something that I get satisfaction from. Though the state is ruled by BJP and people make allegations about BJP, but we have been able to prove through this exposition that many an issue is false.